everybody, this is Kyle Sears from the EMS South Central team. Today we're going to talk about the Zoll X Series Advanced. Historically, Zoll's main focus has been on cardiac-related calls, which make up, on average, about 13.8% of EMS calls. We feel like you should be able to do more with your patient monitor, though. Think about how your world would be different with the ability to effectively manage and treat 45% of the patients that you respond to using your monitor by expanding your capabilities for treating respiratory distress and traumatic brain injury patients.
On any patients that require ventilations, the old school mindset of forcing in as much air as fast as possible has to be avoided at all costs. We accomplish this on the X Series Advanced using real BVM help and the AccuVent sensor. Let's consider cardiac arrest and CPR for a second. You have cardio and you have pulmonary, with the end goal being resuscitation. For years now, Zoll has been the industry leader in developing technologies that ensure the best possible perfusion and electrical therapy on the market using real CPR help, see-through CPR, and our defibrillation waveform. This covers the cardio portion of treating these patients. With the X Series Advanced, now for the first time, you can ensure your providers are managing the pulmonary aspect as well. From the time a call starts and they're providing rescue breathing, all the way to the point where they have established an advanced airway. Airway management can make or break a successful resuscitation. The X Series Advanced will give real-time feedback on both rate and volume of ventilations using real BVM help and the AccuVent sensor, a technology which has been proven to be over 5 times more effective in improving providers' delivery of ventilations in the proper range and volume during cardiac arrests. In conjunction with our CPR feedback and defibrillation technology, you'll ensure you're providing patients the highest possible chance of a successful outcome from sudden cardiac arrest. In the same way we've always provided real-time CPR feedback, the X Series Advanced provides real-time ventilatory feedback to make sure that the volume the provider is delivering to the patient is within 50 mLs of their target, and also their rate is within 20% of their target rate, using the ventilation quality indicator, or the balloon, in the middle of the dashboard.
But the X Series Advanced doesn't stop there. Close your eyes for a second. No, seriously, close your eyes. Picture in your mind the last time you had a warm chocolate chip cookie right from the oven and how delicious it tasted. A recipe was followed to make that cookie, and that recipe included very precise amounts of ingredients and instructions on how to make that perfect cookie. Now think about if you took that same cookie recipe and instead of using 2/3 cups of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt, you accidentally added 2/3 cups of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. That cookie would be a disaster and nobody would want to eat it. The same can be said for when you are treating traumatic brain injury patients. There's a recipe or protocol for treating these patients, and when followed, will result in 2 to 3 times more successful outcomes. On the flip side, when any one of these ingredients or protocols isn't followed, your patient is 2 to 3 times more likely to die as a result of that trauma.
Not only do you want to treat these TBI patients, but you want to make sure that their condition does not get any worse. And that's where the traumatic brain injury dashboard comes into play. By trending the information that's being collected already on the monitor, SpO2, blood pressure, capnography, and ventilations are all displayed in a concise dashboard. This way, you can ensure your patient avoids what are commonly referred to as the 3 H bombs and do not become hypoxic, hypotensive, or hyperventilated, because any single one of those conditions can increase the mortality rate of your TBI patients by 2 to 3 times.
The Zoll X Series Advanced is the newest device on the market and the only one to address a wide range of patients that you encounter every day. Contact Zoll or your local territory manager today to schedule a demonstration. Thank you.